Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the oil light on your Kia Cadenza. First, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, use the buttons on your steering wheel to navigate through the vehicle's display menu. You'll want to find the service interval or maintenance section to begin the reset process. Once you've found the service interval option, select it. Then, you'll typically need to press and hold the OK or Reset button, usually located on your steering wheel, for a few seconds. The display will then ask you to confirm the reset. Make sure to confirm to proceed with clearing the light. After confirming, the oil light on your dashboard should turn off, indicating a successful reset. If the light remains illuminated, don't worry. Simply repeat these steps from the beginning, paying close attention to each instruction. This ensures your vehicle's maintenance system accurately tracks your next service interval. It's crucial to remember that you should always perform an actual oil change before resetting the oil light. Resetting the light without changing the oil can lead to serious engine damage over time. For any specific details or variations, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate information.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.